Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So from the title of this video, you already know what we're going to be discussing in this video. We're going to be talking about or unboxing my makeup product, more like skincare product. Yeah, my skincare product. So ta-da! So I recently got these items from All Things Glam on Instagram. Though this video is not sponsored, all of this thing that I got, I actually paid for every single one of them. So I just want to unbox this product on camera with you guys, and you guys tell me what you think about them in the comment section below, because I've been hearing so many reviews about them. So I just thought to myself that I needed to upgrade my skincare product. So here I am. I ordered everything and I'm going to be unboxing everything here on camera. All of this item in this bag cost me 115,000 naira. I'm going to be putting the equivalent on the screen. I think it's about I can't remember. I don't just want to write I just don't want to say something that I'm not sure about, but I'm just going to be putting the equivalent on the screen for you guys. So let's start unboxing. So the first item is this Ferrarucci makeup fixer. I got it for like 7,000 naira. Like I said, any amount, I'm going to be mentioning the amount in naira, but I'm going to be putting the equivalent on the screen. So I got this Ferrarucci makeup fixer for 7,000 naira. So the second on my list is going to be the Mismetic toner. I got the Mismetic toner for 4,000 naira. Then the next one is the Americode serum. I got the Americode serum for like 5,900 naira. I got the Americode toner for serum for 5,900 naira. Then the next one on my list is the Americode Hydrating Primer. Americode Hydrating Primer, I got it for 4,900 naira. 4,900 naira. Then the next one is the Kiss Beauty Setting Spray, the green tea. I got it for 1,500 naira, the green tea. I got it for 1,500, and I also got the Kiss Beauty, the pink spray too, for 1,500 naira. And then the next one will be the Mismetic Power Seal. This is a Mismetic Power Seal. I got it for 3,500 naira. Then the next one is the Americode Hydrating. No, the next one will be the Americode Moisturizer for 5,500 naira. The Americode Hydrating Moisturizer for 5,500 naira. And then the next one will be the Maybelline Skin Pore Primer. I got it for Maybelline Skin Pore Primer. I got it for 6,000 naira. So the Maybelline Skin Pore Primer, I got it for 6,000 naira. And then the next one will be the Polar Beauty Black Pencil. I got it for 1,600 naira. So the Polar Beauty Black Pencil for 1,600 naira. Then the next one will be Beauty Line by Didi Brow Pencil. I got it I got two sticks for 2,000 naira each, so the two making 4,000 naira. Then I got beauty blenders. They are very soft, very soft. So I got two of them for 2,000 naira each. So that is it. So the next one will be my mixing pan. I got my mixing pan for 2,000 naira. So I got my mixing pan for 2,000 naira. So after the mixing pan, the next one is Revlon, the Revlon Foundation in my color. I got it for my shade. I got this one for 5,000 naira. Then the next one is the Blot Foundation. I got the Blot Foundation in the shade Golden, and I got it for 7,000 naira. Are you kidding me? I got it for 7,000 naira. So the next one is the Milani Powder. I got it in the 108 for 5,000 naira. I got the medium shade, the 108. I got it for 5,000 naira. The Milani. And then the next one is the Black Opal Stick Foundation. I got it in bronze, beautiful bronze, and it goes for 6,000 naira. So the next one is the Nuban Beauty Concealers. I got it in my skin in the shade 043 and 042. I got each of them for 4,200. My goodness, each of these goes for 4,200, so the two goes for 8,400 naira. And then I got the Nuban Beauty Setting Powder in Sienna, and it goes for 5,900, and it goes for 5,900 naira. 5,900 naira. And then the next one is a Nia Primer Spray. I got the Nia Primer Spray for 3,500 naira. So I got this one for 3,500 naira. And then the Benign Clam White. The Benign Clam White, I got it for 5,000 naira. This little thing for 5,000 naira. So, and I also got two cheek glaze in Unapologetic and Milani Bust. I got each of them for 6,000 naira. So the two cost 12,000 naira. And then I'm going to be sharing you with a picture because I first did a video of it and then the video was crap, so I'm refilming. So I'm just going to be putting the clip of it because it's not here right now, but I'm still going to be inserting the clip. And then the last but not the least, I got the TM Essential. I got the TM Essential blush in I Am Not Sorry. I'm also going to be putting the clip of it because it's not here right now. And that is all for all of the product I got for my skincare routine, more like skincare prep for makeup. So thank you guys so much for sticking with me to the end of this video. And if you haven't liked this video yet, please like this video, comment, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.